class. Welcome to VPS e-learning again. I am your English teacher Madhulika Dwivedi. As yesterday I have started chapter number 12, verb, explanation and types of verb. I will continue with other type of verb. First I will again explain what is verb. Verb means all doing and saying words are means action word are verb. I will explain it in detail. As yesterday I explained about action verb means the word which show means what the subject is doing. What the subject is doing as children are playing. And then these boys exercise in this garden in the morning. Mother is cooking food in the kitchen. Action verb means all doing words are action verb. Now, to be verb, I explained yesterday means to be means hona, shall and will used for future, and was and were is used for past, am, is and are is used for present. As I am a teacher, you are a student. So to be means hona. Peter is ill today. कैसा है Peter? How the Peter? Peter is ill. Now, to have means to have something. Belonging. The word we show belonging means to have means I have something. As I have a book, I have a language book, I have a pencil. Amita has a cell phone. Vansh and Amrita had beautiful hair. Means to have means to show belonging. And then helping verb means helping verb we use with main verb to form the sentence. Is, has, do, will, can and must. Is, are, am, will, shall, do, does, did. These are helping verb. Rohit has completed his verb. Shriyan was singing a song in the party. Means main helping verb and main verb. Now, main verb class. Main verb means the main verb expresses the main action or state of being of the subject in the sentence. It changes its form according to the subject. Means if there is plural form of the subject means noun, singular or plural, then you have to use singular. If plural, then you have to use plural. If we are talking about past, we have to use past form of the verb. If we are talking about future, then we have to use future form of the verb. And if we are talking about present, we have to use simple present form of the verb. I will explain you later what is form of the verb. As doctor treats patient. Dogs usually bark at the night. I am playing badminton. Soldiers are fighting with the enemy. Main verb means the verb express the main action means what the person is doing. What the person is doing. And as I am teaching to you and you are listening to me means my main work is teaching and your main work is listening or watching the video. And visible verb means visible verb means action that we can see. The action that is visible that we can see. This is the verb that show the action which can be seen. Means the old man is cutting. Means you can see the man is cutting the tree. The farmer is showing the seed. As I am underlying, it is visible, but I am thinking, but it is not visible. So visual means The action which we can see is visible verb, means the word which show the action which we can see is visible verb, and the action which we cannot see means the word which is taking about the action which we cannot see is called invisible verb. Visible means the thing which we can see, and visual means the thing which cannot see. Mean this is the verb that show the action that is not visible to eyes. This kind of action take place in the mind only, as thinking, realizing, deciding, understanding, realizing. These are invisible verb that we cannot see it with the help of our eyes. So class, it is very simple to understand what is visible, and visual means the action, the word which are showing the action which we cannot see means invisible. Thinking, realizing, deciding, and the action, the word which are showing the action which we can see. Most of the thing which are there which we can see is visible verb. Now class, what you have to write in your copy, you just have to write the definition of verb with example. Definition of the verb with example, then write action verb, then example, then definition and two example, then to be verb, definition with two example, then to have verb, definition with two example, and then helping verb, definition with two example, and again main verb. This is very important to learn and understand what is main verb, and then definition with two example, and visible, definition with two example, and invisible, definition with two example. So this is enough for today class. In the next video we will start exercises of the chapter number 12.